This is Paul Singh, the Market Speculator, with the trade report for Friday, December 9, 2016. Looking at our focus list here, a lot of extended stocks, again, some showing signals of pullback here. A couple of good ones. I like WLB here, coal stock. It made that breakout and putting in a little strength here, but honestly, I'm probably not going to enter today because I've got so many positions here. So let's take a look at the market. We'll go through here. If you're looking to enter something, stuff is extended, but you could go off something on the watch list. Looking at SPY here, we had the big breakout and we're holding the top of that range. So we didn't get that quick pullback. And even today, while not up big, we're up slightly pre-market. We'll see how that plays out. Market was up 0.24%. IWM here showing even more strength, up 1.57%. And the Qs up pre-market, only up 0.18, but up nicely pre-market this morning. So nearing its highs. So broad-based now, maybe some new money's coming into the market, and things are looking good here. Let's look at some of the sectors. IBB, which has been hit, had a green candle yesterday and is set to pop this morning. We're watching for a move over that moving average. SMH semiconductors continue to look like they're ready to run. Financials very extended. Steel and commodities here very extended, but looking like they're pulling back, and we'll talk about the X short in a second. And then oil showing a nice candle right at the 9 and set to open pre-market. Oil is up over 1%, so that's where we see some significance. So with UCO, let's go to UCO. We're back up over the 11s, and our entry was right around 10:03. So that gets us back up over a point, which should affect some of our positions here, like OAS Energy, holding very strong, kind of a high tight flag, not really pulling back much, which is good. Let's go through some of our positions here. Twilio, since I probably will not be entering, it's just going to be managing what I have here. Twilio, we're still over 1.5 points away from stop level. AirG set to open right now around 1760, so we're testing that 9 still, and the 50. Stop is right under here around, I said 17, we're going to go under the moving average here, so that would be 1650. Apple is right in that range for stop, but we're right at the moving average, which is lowered since entry. So I'd like to be able to hold and see, is it going to break the moving average? Is it going to get thwarted by that moving average? FCX set to pop a little bit this morning and play our earnings breakout here, holding the top of the range here, and we're set to open right around that level. Now X, the short entry here. So the stock is up over 100%. So the base of this range, since it made its almost green through this whole thing here, was 1734 is where we got to 100%. And now we're at 37 here. We got probably the worst candle we've had here through this whole run. And it was on an uptick in volume. So not the strongest reversal candle. Took a feeler here, the fact that we're 100% and had a decent red here. Not in terms of percentage gain, but in terms of trying to break through and coming back in. So let's see if this one pulls back in now, especially with the uptick in volume. So a lot of positions here, probably not going to add anything, and we'll see how things shake out next week, and maybe we'll add a couple of stocks if the market can finally start to pull back. So that's it for the trade report. Everybody have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys Monday.